Hey everybody, it's Flatbread Friday, and this week's flatbread is a barbecued chicken, bacon, and ranch. And I had some chicken in the refrigerator, so I added some barbecue sauce. I also made the sauce for this pizza. I mixed some of the ranch dressing in with the marinara sauce to make it sort of creamy, and then I topped it with a little additional ranch. And the bacon, of course, is good. Oh, and I topped it with the crispy French fried onions that I've had since Christmas, green bean casserole. So anyway, happy Friday, and make this pizza. Recipes on the website, videos here.